Alright guys, so as you could I don't know if the camera picked it up or not, but as you could see, I was trying to get the sound or whatever in video if the camera would pick it up. But from what I could tell and what I could see on the forums, it was they said it could be the injectors, it could be the struts or something like that, but it's not coming from like the suspension and nothing like that. It's got to be coming from like it's coming like from on like the driver side of the engine bay or whatever, and I don't know exactly what it is or like nothing like that. I'm trying to figure it out. But if y'all know anything or have had any similar type of situation or something like that, please let me know. Please leave it down in the comments so that the way I can know and find out myself. We'll find out what it is. But also, let me show you guys, my car needs a wash really bad. So let me show you guys. My car needs a wash. It's not really dirty, not real dirty like that bad, but it's time for another wash. As you can see, like, if you can't pick it up, the soft top needs to be clean. But yeah, gonna go back home, we're gonna wash the car and guys, I'm really having a hard time trying to record this video and stuff like that because it's hard for me. I'm stepping out of my I'm still trying to step out of my comfort zone with this car. This is like my third time trying to record this part of this video again because I am trying this is like my third or fourth time trying to record this video, but I'm trying to some people saying it's normal. Nobody really know like what it is or like what the nobody really got a solid answer of what it could be or really figured it out. But I guess we're gonna continue to progress and see what the car do, and we'll find out. I guess I'll change out the injectors or whatever, or something like that. Whatever I got to do, see if that'll fix it. Yeah, and then like it delays on shifts. I forgot to say that it'll delay the shift or something like it'll delay me from shifting or something like that every now and then. I thought it could be the tune or whatever, so I updated my tune, but it's not it. It's still like do the same stuff, so it's not the tune and then like that. At least I don't, from my ability, I don't think it is. But yeah, people saying that it's normal, but it's not normal. It's not normal for me because my car hasn't always been doing that. So it's got to be something, but we're gonna figure it out. I hope you guys can hear that. I'm trying to record the sound. Let me lower the windows. Okay, it stopped making the sound. Of course, it stopped making the sound as soon as I recorded, but yeah.